Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic grille. First, gather all necessary tools like a trim removal tool and a ratchet set. Ensure your car is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Then, open the hood to easily access the top mounting points of your current grille. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient removal and installation process for your new grille. Now, let's remove the old grille. Begin by carefully using your trim removal tool to pop out the plastic clips along the top edge. Next, locate and detach any screws or bolts that might be securing the grille to the bumper or frame. Once all fasteners are removed, gently pull the grille forward from the bottom to release the remaining clips, and then you can take it out. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, if you're looking for ways to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic read. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your new one. Start by aligning the new grille with the lower mounting points on the bumper. Gently push the grille firmly into place, ensuring all the lower clips snap in securely. Finally, reinstall all the screws, bolts, and plastic clips you removed earlier to fasten the grille completely. Double-check that everything is tight and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.